Hey, it's Mr. Wheeler. Let's take a look at today's assignment. We're going to do this simple page to practice regrouping across zeros with multiplication. So multiplying across zeros. So step one, think in terms of hundreds, tens, and ones. So 305 is 3 hundreds and 0 tens and 5 ones, right? We know that. So then step two is you multiply the ones. So this is looking a lot like the regular multi-digit multiplication we practiced in lesson 9. So here we've got 5 times 4 is 20. And so we put the 0 from the ones place in 20 right here. And the two tens we put right next door, okay? And then now we multiply in step 3 by the tens. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then 5 times 0 tens is 0, or 4 times 0 tens is 0 tens, right? But now we're going to add the regrouped 2 tens into the 0. So 0 tens from that multiplication plus the 2 tens we had left over equals 2 tens. And so we put that 2 in the tens place. And then we multiply it by the hundreds, okay? So now 4 times 3 hundreds would be 12 hundreds. And since we're not going further with the thousands over here, we don't have to regroup anything. We just put 1, 2, 12 in the hundreds place, which is like a 1 in the thousands place. So 305 times 4 equals 1,220. Let's try one together, and I actually want you to copy this down, okay? So you might need another sheet of paper, or maybe you want to use your margins like I'm going to use. 402 times 8. So we start in the ones, and we say 8 times 2 is 16. And if I look at the number 16, maybe don't write it right there, okay? If I look at the number 16, there's a 6 in the ones place, so that's what goes here. That's a common mistake I've seen. 1, 6, 16. So that's 110. Now 8 times 0 tens is how many tens? 0. But I'm going to add this one to it. So now I do have 110, and 8 times 4 is 32. So the answer number 1 is, say it again, 3,216. All right? Do your best.